Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these chocolate eclairs. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to go ahead and grab yourself a medium saucepan, and into that pour your water, add in your butter and sprinkle in a generous amount of salt. Then place this onto the hob over a medium-high heat and allow the butter to melt. Once it starts to melt, you can start whisking it just to incorporate it. Remove the saucepan from the heat and add in your flour and just whisk that in until it's fully incorporated. Place it back onto the heat and keep whisking it together until there's a coating on the bottom of the pan. That shows that the flour has cooked out and that your choux pastry is good to go. Once you've got it to that consistency, you'll then want to grab yourself a mixing bowl and into it place all of the choux pastry. And then just mix it all together until it starts cooler to the touch, so you should be able to touch the bottom of the bowl. Once you are able to touch the bottom of the bowl, you can then go ahead and add in your eggs, one at a time, beating well in between each addition. You are looking for the perfect consistency, so it should be dropping consistency, so it should take between 3 to 5 seconds to fall from the paddle attachment back into the bowl. If it doesn't, just continue adding your eggs until it reaches that consistency. You can then go ahead and transfer the choux pastry into a piping bag fitted with a plain 1 cm tip nozzle. Then grab yourself some baking trays which have been lined with some parchment paper and just start to pipe them out. You'll want them to be around 5 inches in length. If the end of your choux has like a knobbly bit, feel free to just use a damp fingertip to press it down, then egg wash them all, giving them a good coating with the egg wash. So while your choux is baking in the oven, you can go ahead and make the filling. To make the filling, it's really easy. Just grab yourself a bowl and into it add all of the double cream, followed by the icing sugar and vanilla. Then just whisk it until it's somewhere between soft and stiff peaks. It should hold its shape fairly well, but you don't want it to be over whipped and granular. If it reaches that stage, just restart. You can then take the cream and transfer it into a piping bag fitted with a small nozzle. Then you can go ahead and fill the eclairs with as much or as little cream as you'd like. So I make 3 incisions so it's got a good filling throughout. You don't want to bite into it and have a bit of empty pastry, as that's just not pleasant. So then the final thing is to make the chocolate glaze. So grab yourself a small saucepan and into it place the butter, the golden syrup, sugar and dark chocolate. Then place it onto the hob over a medium-low heat and just allow it to start melting together first. Once you can see it start to melt, stir it until it's smooth and consistent. Then to finish the eclairs, you'll just want to dip them in the chocolate glaze. So take the eclair, just covering the top with a good amount of the chocolate glaze, then placing it back onto the cooling rack and repeat the process with the remaining eclairs. Then you can cut into them and enjoy. As you can tell, it's properly filled. You've got a good amount of chocolate and the pastry is fully baked. Sometimes choux can be a bit tricky to work with and it can be underbaked, which will leave like a very eggy taste, which isn't pleasant. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again on Thursday with another video, so join me then. But in the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to all of my social media, so don't forget to go and follow me over on there, as I do sometimes post on Instagram a bit more. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.